Hello kids, let us learn a new topic in English grammar today, that is vowels and consonants. Children, you all know that there are 26 letters in the English alphabet family. Now from these 26 letters, we have 5 vowels. How many vowels? 5. Okay, they are A, E, I, O and U. And all the other remaining letters are called consonants. What are they called? Consonants. Now let us find vowels in words. Now the very first word we have cat. C-A-T, cat. Here A is a vowel. In the second example, hen. H-E-N, hen. Here E is a vowel. Third example, kid. K-I-D, kid. Here we have I as a vowel. Next, owl. O-W-L, owl. Here we have O, that is a vowel. Next word is glue. G-L-U-E. Now in this example we have 2 vowels, that is U and E. Yes? Children, in the words cat, hen, kid, owl and glue, the letters other than the vowels are the consonants. Let us see. Now the first word was cat. A was the vowel, so the remaining 2 letters, that is C and T, they are the consonants. Here E was the vowel, so the remaining letters H and N, they are the consonants. Here we have K and D as the consonant. Here W and L is the consonant. Here G and L is a consonant. I hope you all understood this topic very well. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe for many more videos.